Welcome back to the channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the specification details about the OnePlus 9 RT. Yes friends, finally we got the official statement from the OnePlus regarding the specifications and all the features, which does include in the OnePlus 9 RT. And here is a quick look at the design on the back side. You can see exactly. So front side of the phone obviously looks like the previous OnePlus phones, and the back side looks similarly like this, as you can see exact pattern. And the official sale will start on October 19th and the pre-order will start on October 13th in the China. And the phone OnePlus 9 RT will be having the Snapdragon 888 processor along with the LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1. And the display will be having the E4 AMOLED type of display with 120Hz refresh rate and 4500 mAh of battery capacity with 65 watt fast charging. As you can see, exactly these are the specifications related to the OnePlus 9 RT. This is official statement which we did get. As you can see exactly the dates, you can clearly mention, they did mention here. On the 13th of October the pre-order will be starting, and on 19th of October the sale will begin on this OnePlus 9 RT in the China itself. So the phone comes with a Snapdragon 888 processor, friends, and previously we did get a lot of rumors regarding the phone comes with a Snapdragon 870, but that's not the case. The phone gonna release with a Snapdragon 888 processor. So here's a quick look at the design and build quality about this OnePlus 9 RT. So there's nothing much unique about this phone at this point regarding the specifications. So only one thing can be unique, maybe the price. So the price what the OnePlus going to launch in India after this kind of mixing with the ColorOS and everything. So I hope they should get this kind of price really close to maybe under 40,000, but I'm not sure exactly whether they can do that or not. If the phone is getting released in India, maybe I'm expecting similar kind of price. If it's not getting released, I'm not sure, but let's see friends whether the OnePlus 9 RT will be releasing or not. But these are the final specifications listed for the OnePlus 9 RT. So once of the release of the phone in China, then we can actually predict the price, what's going to be in India as well. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video only, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.